very difficult. It does not always work. If it does work, get some duct tape so we can put it over these kids' mouths. Yeah? Pretty good, right? Nice. Bust out some moves. This is Chops. Here's Burke's Barrage. And Bill's Mess. And the Machine. I like this one. Nice and simple columns. And Faking It. And Working It. Yes. Here's the box. Behind the back.